To delete a Shopify order, start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the home screen, click on the Orders link in the left-hand navigation menu to view your full order list. You can use the search bar or filters at the top of the page to find a specific order by customer name, order number, or date range if you are dealing with a long history. Once you locate the order you want to remove, click directly on the order number to open its details page. It is very important to understand that you cannot delete an order that is in progress or unarchived status. Before the delete option appears, you must first archive the order. At the top of the order details page, you will see a button labeled More Actions. Click this button and select Archive from the drop-down menu. The page will refresh, and the order status will change. After archiving, the order details page will now display a prominent red text link that says Delete this order at the top of the screen, where you may find the delete option by clicking the More Actions button again. Click the delete option, and a confirmation pop-up window will appear warning you that this action is permanent and cannot be undone. Carefully review the warning, and if you are absolutely certain you want to permanently erase this order, click the red Delete Order Confirmation button to finalize the process. Keep in mind that you can only delete orders that have a financial status marked as refunded, voided, or archived and no longer require fulfillment. For orders that are still active but you want to hide, archiving without deleting is the safer choice, as it preserves your financial records. If you do not see the delete option at all, check your staff account permissions, as only the account owner or users with the Manage Orders permission can permanently delete records from the database.